The SyncFab team how to tokenize parts using SyncFab. When parts buyers choose to procure their parts through SyncFab's production network, they will now be given the option to tokenize your part as at checkout. This represents the first big step in leveraging the value add of blockchain in the supply chain and will allow users to boost efficiency in their parts supply chain feature by feature. For this release, SyncFab begins with the parts provenance feature, part tokenization / unique identity / part ID. Every component or part that is manufactured and purchases an import token will be assigned a unique digital blockchain-based any token that can be verified in real time on the blockchain. With the implementation of an NE-compatible wallet and introducing our own non-fungible tokens, NE, industry application based on the CERC standard, parts identification and unique IDs support an organization's need for counterfeit prevention and anti-fraud measures to reduce liabilities and keep suppliers and distributors honest and accountable. Buyers use MFRC to initiate port or parts tokenization orders. Part information / metadata for IP protection. The import any token includes product-specific attributes and details relating to the specific part or end product, including original order specifications and product requirements. This feature allows for oversight on IP usage as well as savings on sovereign audit and regulatory compliance records. Business-ready use case tab helps aerospace and automotive home purchase managers stay on top of their demanding production schedules, while shaving their parts procurement costs as much as half off, benefiting from a vetted full-range manufacturing copper. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.